Welcome back, folks. We're out here on the Wolf River in Fremont, Wisconsin, chasing down some trophy walleyes. Just kidding, not trophies, but plenty of eaters will be caught, limits will be kept, meals will be eaten. I'm out here with the one and only Mr. Gary B. He's back again. And we got Shidey over there and Marco. So we're gonna go give this a try, see if we can't put the hammer down on some eater walleyes and have a general good time. Stay tuned. Right. Batten down the hatches, boys. We're heading into the big water. That ain't good. What happened? I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna just have to try to weasel through here slowly. Well, gong show averted. This is as fast as we're allowed to go in my boat today. Oh, see, she's getting fussy again. All right. Sweet deal. We are fishing. Game on.
Game on, Bart.
What we got is a nice little walleye drift here. Stays right around 18-ish if we stay up close to these trees. We've just got standard 3/8 ounce jigs with a shiner hooked through the head. I've got a stinger hook and a little bit of purple hair on mine, but just trying to figure out what the program is right now. We are on a spot that in the past has been pretty productive for us, so hopefully we can capitalize on that. And oh, he was hammering on it. Hey, Shidey's hooked up. There we go.
That's the one you just missed.
Yeah, probably.
All right.
Back up.
Shidey, of course, has to get the first one.
Right, on his drift, of course. Well, Shidey started off with the first keeper, I believe, so we're going back up. Shidey, is that a keeper, buddy? Nice. Is it 14?
Right up to the island. Damn it. This
Bottom?
one. Fucking bitch.
Snaggle. Got it loose. Fresh pile.
Got it. Do you have any barrel swivels?
Yeah. Ooh, look at it.
Look at that. Jesus, dude. Snag.
Alright, watching.
What are you... I don't know if you can see any of what's going on over there, but they're buried in a tree and they lost their net in the water. They need help. Oh no. Okay, I gotta stop laughing. Okay, rescue time. Now we gotta go search for the net. Net searching time.
Something is just not.
I don't.
Try to start it. Listen to this. Yeah, like it's getting power. Yeah, it's just like something is not like it'd be almost like the prop, and the prop like kind of spins.
Did you take the cowling off and look in there?
No, I was gonna like have him lift it all the way up and just like lift the whole thing up.
That could have gone a lot better. We did get out a little bit late. We got in about midnight, so took a few extra hours to sleep in and got off to a decent start. Shitey nailed a 15-inch walleye there at the third drift or so. Thought that we had something going, and turns out we didn't. I think we got a program that is going to work. We just need to find where the fish are. But yeah, hopefully we can put something better together tomorrow and have a good time. Well, day 2 begins with a nice and easy, quick first local drift out in front of the cabin. There's a few boats floating by this morning. Figured why not give it a shot. All right, Gary, let's hear it. What's your thoughts about today?
Today is going to be much better.
Much better.
Warmer, sunny, calm. Control the boat. We don't have to eliminate half of our drifts that we know because the wind just crushes us.
I like it.
Very optimistic.
I definitely like the calmer weather and the warmth. Okay, so we're still sitting at 41-degree water, but
Okay, so it didn't really change
overnight, yeah. So we didn't lose any heat. And with the sun today, we might be seeing some warmer water. Find some of that calmer water. Let's give them something to talk about. Lou. Marco, how does it feel?
You know, tough day yesterday on the water, but beautiful day today.
Beautiful day.
Fish and rally.
And the motor's running?
Motor's running.
Starter works?
Like it's brand new.
Like it's brand new.
Heart goes tap, tap, tap. It goes boop. Fucking starts cranking.
Oh man. One of those things. Like me and Gary were just talking about it. We kind of just thought that was a wives' tale or a myth.
Like it's something, it's like a super old tractor.
Yeah.
Shit, like I'm out in the field and I got.
Right. I got 2 screwdrivers and a sledgehammer.
Trying to make this work.
Man, I did have one really, really good mark that I know for a fact was a fish in that drift. Ooh, there's something up high there. Fish on, baby. Yeah, baby. Here we go. Yes. In the... Yes. Heck yeah. That's how we do that. Perfect. He had just inhaled it. Look at that, right? The snoot. All right. The program works. Yep. Honestly, I was dragging. Yeah, I was not even doing anything special. That is a beautiful Wolf River walleye. Just pulling a plastic. 3/8 ounce jig head, green paddle tail. She works. She goes, no, 13 even. It's a nice fish. Probably gonna. It'd be nice to take a few home, unless we want to cook it up tonight. I don't really care either, but. All right. Yeah, like every now and then I'd take it and twitch it hard off the bottom, but it was mostly dragging. Broke the ice. Finally caught a walleye. Nothing special, 13 incher, but we know this. That's what we catch out here. Yeah. We're trying to do hand signals to Marco and Dan. Hard to communicate. But anyways, the program's working. We switched it up from live bait to plastics, which was kind of a little bit of a, I don't know what you call it, twist. Because Garrett, you typically don't use plastic? Definitely. Audible. There you go. That's the word. Audible. It's usually a live bait bite out here, but man, did he smoke that plastic. Worked great. Gary wishes he was a jig. Actually, I think he wishes he was catching a walleye. Just stick an 18. How sick would that be? That's a cool boat. Oh, it's got Toy Story. Is it Mario Kart on there? Yeah, it had all the Mario characters on it. That's pretty cool. Oh, Paw Patrol. It says Paw Patrol right on the motor. Let's go. Let's go, walleyes. Come on. Turn on. Get bitey. That's a good fish. That's a really good fish. Yeah, baby. Come on. Stay on. Stay pinned. Oh, tugging. Tugging. That's a good one. Yeah, he slashed it on the bottom. Oh. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. Nice. There we go. Sweet. It's bleeding pretty bad. Nice one. Put that one in the box. It's a beauty right there. Dandy fish. Probably, I don't know, I'm gonna measure him so I don't have to guess on his length. I'll just know. So right off that tree. $14er. Yep, 14. Maybe just a little over. Sweet. Another keeper. That's two. One more and I got a limit, right? Sweet. Oh, this feels good. So I got it. I switched sides of the boat when you turn sideways. And then I got it straight vertical. Bounced it off the bottom twice, and then a fish grabbed it. I guess he probably caught it on the fall. I guess I couldn't really tell. I just lifted, and he was there. Set the hook to the moon again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that jazz. Talk to you later.
Japanese barking beetles.